what about a threesome?
Okay, no, but seriously, like, I had to start shaving myself. I was like, oh my, okay. And, hi there, how are you doing today? Okay, yeah, that was me.
If you ever fucking flash me again, seriously, I saw more of you downstairs than I needed to.
You wanted to do it. You wanted to do it. It's not my fault I had to be in a threesome.
No, I did not want to fucking see you naked. You fucking bastard.
Hey, you only saw
Though I did steal your boxers. That was my bad.
That's what happened.
I stole his pants and I stole his boxers at one point while he was naked. That was.
It wasn't fair. No,
And he didn't want to see you naked and he stole his boxers.
They were like.
We made him rinse off after, so he was naked at some point.
And that way you'll rinse off better. I was like, okay. She's like, the blind's completely open. They're like, give me your boxers. I was like, shut the blind. Put pen in and it opens up. Give me your boxes. Shut the blind. Take some boxers. Here you go. She like grabs them and runs. I'm like, toweling.
Is that your towel?
Toweling.
It was more like a shimmy.
I'm like, boxers. She's like, I didn't know where you put them. Nowhere.
Hey, you like talking around in the towel.
I had a towel on. No, then I was like, alright, we need to shave the armpit. Except
First we had to cut them.
wearing a towel. So Debbie will shave this one while you put on makeup. Shave me. Ow, my eye.
And plus, we realized.
Notice which one is better? The one I did.
We also